in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Violet County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Hardin County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located overhead, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cape Head around 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.